Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film me doing a 100-piece wholesale order for some tube lip gloss. It's 5 different shades, as you saw in the little clip before, and it took me a little bit of time to do this, so I did film on a couple different occasions. I didn't film making all of the colors, but here you see me doing kind of like my beginning process before I add color. Like I have the same basic steps for all of the glosses. The only difference is the shade, or it says all the texture is the same. So I've pretty much made my base, I guess, my lip gloss base, like down packed. I've got like the exact calculations of what I want. So yeah, so here you see me just adding Versagel and then mixing it up. Before I added like my vanilla flavoring oil, some vitamin E, preservative so that it lasts. And then with the preservative Cap 5, I believe it's an 18-month shelf life. So yeah, and then I'm just here mixing, and then I'm gonna add more Versagel, of course. This is just so I can distribute the color pretty well throughout the gel. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you a couple different colors from the collection that I'm private labeling. So basically, they did a wholesale order, and then I'm actually gonna put their label on it, even though it's still like the colors that I've created. But yeah, so make sure you check out my website, which is www.themakeupinitiative.com. And I'm just covering this up because I actually put them in in a Ziploc, and to make sure there's no separation. And so here I'm making the second shade. Sorry, I had to adjust you guys real quick. But I used 2 different glitters for this one. This one's actually my Glitterati lip gloss. But of course, they're gonna name it whatever they feel like naming it. So I'm officially a lip gloss vendor, y'all. So make sure you know, send your girl an email if you want any custom orders, because I got you covered, honey. But yeah, just keep watching the video, and then at the end I show you how I fill the tubes in bulk. Okay, y'all, thanks for sticking with me through this video. I hope you liked watching me create these lip glosses and fulfilling this huge order, which I'm so blessed and thankful to have gotten. Remember to please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you love bugs later. Bye!